National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until midnight. At 11:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Boulder Hill to near Seneca, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield around 11:15 p.m. Romeoville around 11:20 p.m. Bolingbrook, Woodridge, and Lamont around 11:25 p.m. Braidwood, Coal City, Willow Springs, and Diamond around 11:30 p.m. Palos Hills, Wilmington, Bridgeview, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Palos Heights, Worth, and Lakewood Shores around 11:35 p.m. Oak Lawn, Burbank, and Ashburn around 11:40 p.m. Englewood, Roseland, Auburn, Gresham, Evergreen Park, and Manhattan around 11:45 p.m. South Shore, Chatham, and South Deering around 11:50 p.m. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The severe